Selamat siang Bapak Ibu sekalian. Pada kesempatan ini saya ingin sharing materi terkait dengan experimental design. Langsung saja, causal research conducted to identify cause and effect relationship among variables when the research has already been narrowly defined. Evidence for causality. Covariation. Evidence of the extent to which X and Y occur together or vary together in the way predicted by the hypothesis. Time order of occurrence of variable. Evidence that show X occurs before Y. Elimination of other possible causal factor. Evidence that allows the elimination of factor other than X as the cause of Y. A logical explanation about why the independent variable affect the independent variable. Experiment. Data collection method in which one or more forces are manipulated in order to measure their effect on a DV while controlling for exogenous variable in order to test hypothesis. Cause and effect relationship is established by manipulation of independent variable, controlling for exogenous factor, manipulation of EY, manipulation creation of different level of the EY to assess the impact on DV. Treatments level. The arbitrary or natural groups researchers make within the E5. Evidence for causality, covariance, covariation, difference between group, time order control. Exogenous variables, controlling for exogenous or confounding variables, eliminating other possible causal factor, eliminating alternative explanation. Experimental design available. Two types of exogenous variables related to participant, related order, and fundamental factors. Related to participant, selection bias, improper assignment of participants to the experimental groups. Matches groups, match the different groups as closely as possible in the terms of age, interest, expertise, etc. Random assignment, randomly assign members to different treatment groups. The difference will be randomly distributed. Systematic bias will reduce. Statistic control, measuring the external variable and adjusting for their effect through statistical methods. Mortality, loss of participant during the experience. Related to other factors. History effect, external events occurring at the same time that may affect the DV. Maturation effect, change in the participation as a process of time that may affect the DV. Testing effect, and the experience itself affect the response. Main testing effect, prior response affect later response. Interactive testing effect, prior response affect perception of DV. Instrumentation effect, change in measurement instrument. Experimental design, time series design. 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, 010. Experimental design. Here is the area of cells, and here is a time week. Significance difference. Yeah. Experimental design. Is tracing causal effect necessary? Yes, and if so, internal validity is more important than external validity. Generalizability is more important than internal validity. Both internal validity and external validity are important. Engage in a lab experience, engage in field experiment. First do a lab experiment, then a field experiment. Are the cost constraints? If yes, engage in a simpler experimental design? If no, engage in more sophisticated design. From figure 9.5, decision point for embarking on experimental design. Experimental design. Table 9.7, illustration of completely randomized design rules. Group 1 of 9 rules. Number of passenger before 0, 1. Treatment X1. Number of passenger after 0, 2. Group 2 of 9 route rules. Number of passenger before 0, 3. Treatment X2. Number of passenger after 0, 4. Group 4 of 9 routes 0, 5. Treatment X3. Number of passenger after 0, 6. Experimental design table 9.8, illustration of a randomized block design. Not the XS only indicates various level of the blocking factors, and the OS as number of passenger before and after each treatment at each level are not shown. To this measures will be taken. Fire reduction 5C. Blocking factor residential area suburbs X1. Crowded urban areas X1. Retirement area X1. Fire reduction 7C. Suburbs X2. Crowded urban areas X2. Retirement areas X2. Fire reduction 10C. Suburb X3. Crowded urban areas X3. Retirement area X3. Experimental design. Table 9.2, pretest and post-test experimental group design. Group experimental group, pretest score 01, treatment X, post-test score 02, treatment effect 02 minus 01. Experimental design. Table 9.9, illustration of the Latin sequence design. Residential area, suburbs, midweek X1, day of the week, weekend X2, Monday or Friday X3. Urban, midweek X2, day of week, weekend X3, Monday, Friday X2, retirement, midweek X3, weekend X2, X1, Monday or Friday X2. Exercise. An organization would like to introduce one of two types of new manufacturing process to increase the productivity of workers. Both involve heavy investment in expensive technology. The company wants to test the efficacy of its process in one of its small plants. Propose on experiment using pretest, post-test control group design, post-test control group design, and calculate for each design the specific effect of each new process on the productivity. Validity, internal validity, determination of whether the effect is actually caused by the manipulation of treatment and not by other exogenous variables. External validity, determination of whether the cause and effect relationship found in the experiment can be generalized. Compared to field experiment, lab experiment have the following advantage: high degree of control, high internal validity or replication, less costly and less expensive. Disadvantage: artificiality, reactive error, mass artificial, lower external quality. Thank you, finish for the topic of business research methods, experimental design, chapter 9. Thank you for your attention. See you the next time.